Hello my sweet friends and welcome to DIY with Nadia. With me I have Simba. You want to give me 5? Yay! And on today's video we are doing a BBCrafts haul. Before we get started, I wanted to thank BBCrafts for gifting me this haul. And we have some 10-inch deco mesh, 21-inch deco mesh, and some ribbon. I'm going to let Simba down so he can play and we can get started. If you are someone who would like to know a little bit more about the types of deco mesh, what they're used for, I have a video right here. I'm also going to put it in the description box and at the end of this video. The first deco mesh is this beautiful red 10-inch by 10 yards deco mesh, and it has lovely white stripes on the edges. And I just wanted to mention that all the deco mesh I'm going to show you is 10 yards. You always have to pay attention, but all the deco mesh I've ever bought from BBCrafts were 10 yards in length, so I love that. The next deco mesh is very similar to the first one, except it's 10.5 inches, so a little bit wider. And the same thing, it has beautiful border stripes with metallic light green, red, and white. This next one is completely foiled. It is so beautiful. Red, light green, and white, and it's just stripes, 10 inches by 10 yards. This next one is blue and white, and this one was part of a set. I'm going to show you a few more striped ones. The nice thing about BBCrafts is they have bundles, and you can save mega money on the bundles, especially with 21-inch deco mesh. Some 21-inch deco mesh I got also amazing deals. So the next one I wanted to show you was black and white striped. This one was in the bundle too. And then the red and white striped, and the red is foiled. So beautiful and lovely for Christmas. Besides having unique deco mesh like the eyelash one and things like that, I didn't get any eyelash this time because I already bought so much from them previously, but they have very unique, very beautiful deco mesh. And if you've been on their website before, go now. They have a lot more 10-inch deco mesh. Within the last month and a half, they have added so much deco mesh, especially the foiled one that I showed you already. So many new beautiful deco mesh. And I'm telling you, this is where I get my specialty deco mesh, like the eyelash deco mesh and things like that. BBCrafts has been my deco mesh go-to for a long time. Speaking of that, I picked up some golden color kind of deco mesh that's solid. And yes, of course, all of these solids are 10 inches by 10 yards. But this is going to be so pretty for a Christmas wreath. Then I got this a gorgeous mossy green, and this one can definitely be used for Christmas depending on the sign you use, the style of wreath you're making. So pretty. A roll of ivory deco mesh and some yellow deco mesh. I love using this deco mesh to brighten up wreaths. Of course, I also use the white one. Some beautiful pink that you can use for Valentine's, spring. Then a gorgeous lilac. Then a lovely teal. Are you guys seeing all these colors? So many colors. Light blue. This one's a lovely kind of pinkish peach color. I'm telling you guys, the colors they have for the solids go on and on and on. They have a great selection. I pretty much always have one of each of their solid colors on hand, just in case you order that sign and it comes in and the shades are off and you're just like, what am I gonna do? This is what you're gonna do. You're gonna get some unique colors on their website. They're not unique, they're just standard colors, but they helped me a lot throughout the years of making wreaths because you just don't know when you're going to need them. And the nice thing about having these colors is the price. Absolutely fair. I think the price for these, absolutely fair. You will find them on sale all the time, just different ones on sale at different times, so I love that. These 4 21-inch deco mesh rolls were in a set. The first one I got in the set was this lovely pink with silver foiling, and it's very thin and lovely foiling. Look at that. Very nice. Actually, all of these have nice and thin. This one is a little lighter than the previous one. So a light pink, as you can see. Same thing with the silver. This one I can't even describe. It's like a peachy pink. It's so beautiful, and it has gold foiling through it. Very, very pretty. And then the last one is another pink one with gold foiling throughout. It is so beautiful. I got such an amazing deal on this set, you guys. But they have different sets, different deals for different holidays. So definitely check out their sets before you start buying individual, because I think it's the best bang for your buck. This next one is a beautiful gray roll with some silver foiling through it. It is so beautiful. 21 inches by 10 yards. The two solids I got in 21 inches is this fuchsia pink. I know the light is probably making it a little lighter, but it's a very pretty fuchsia, kind of like dark pink. Very beautiful. And then a blue solid deco mesh. There are Christmas wreaths using this deco mesh. Definitely a New Year's wreath, winter wreath. So lots of options for that one too. Last tip of the video, I promise. So all of the deco mesh, for now at least, comes in this kind of clear plastic wrap. The nice thing about it is you can take it apart. Don't rip it. Use your deco mesh. When you're done, you roll it back, tuck in the end, and your deco mesh doesn't need no rubber bands. It doesn't need anything. It's going to stay nicely packed back on your shelf. I just always write a little note that half used, but you can definitely see it from the side that it's been half used, you know? So that is another reason I love using their deco mesh. This last roll of deco mesh I didn't even mention in the video that I attached because it's new. It's called Lucas Net, and it's basically kind of on the looser side, but look at all the foiling through it. It's very pretty. But the netting is just not as tight as the ones we are used to. So say this one has tighter netting than this one, but it is beautiful. And this shade is kind of like a maroon with a hint of pink a little bit. Really, really beautiful color. But I just thought I would show you. And as you can see, it's just thicker braided netting. When it comes to ribbon, I had to pace myself because I already have a ton of Christmas ribbon, but I did get a few rolls. First, I got a gold and silver 1.5 inch each. They are 10 yards long, wired of course, and I think they're absolutely stunning. Then I got a stunning plaid 2.5 inch wired. So beautiful, and of course 10 yards in length. The last ribbon I had to get, I thought it was so adorable. It's snow globes, you guys. Look at this. It's snow globes. So I will be hunting for a sign that has a snow globe in it because I think this ribbon is just too cute. And as you can see, it has a little gingerbread house. It has a little deer right there, or doe or something. So it's just adorable. And of course a snowman right there in that one. Super, super cute. All right, you guys, look at my assistant. I'm working super hard and my assistant is lounging around, just laying around, doing absolutely nothing. Simba, we need to work to make our money. He cannot get any cuter. That is it for this haul. So don't forget to check out BBCrafts.com. I will have a link for that video I promised of all different types of deco mesh in the description box below. And for fun of it, you know what? I'll just throw it in the comments so it's easier for you guys to find. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you are notified every time I post a video. Thank you so much for being with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, my sweet friends. Mwah!